This site is gonna give you $300 to $400 a day just by doing almost nothing. So keep watching until the end as I will show you step-by-step process so you can set this up for yourself and start making money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Like this video, share this to all your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. So, before we get into the sites, you'll need to make this work. This affiliate technique stands out from the rest since you don't have to post your affiliate link anywhere. You won't have to spam your link in YouTube comments. You won't have to create any videos. You won't have to go to various Facebook groups. No Twitter, nothing like that. The tool I will be showing you literally does everything for you, and I will show you step by step how to set everything up for yourself. But before I show you the tool, let me first tell you about the site that paid me an affiliate commissions. The site is called jvzoo.com. And it is comparable to ClickBank and all affiliate websites including Digistore24. What sets it apart from the competition is that it isn't solely focused on physical and digital things. It also includes making money online, cooking, and other related items. Apart from that, another fantastic feature of this site that I'm sure many of you will appreciate is that it has so many different payment options for you to choose from. PayPal is arguably the most popular, but PayPal isn't available everywhere. So there are other options for those of you who are living in Asian countries or Africa. With that said, you can read more about this site, what it is, and so on and so forth, but I won't go over that. What you need to do when you first come on here is create a new account, which you can do by clicking on Start for free in the upper right corner here. Then registering by entering your basic information. Verifying that email address you entered actually belongs to you. And finally, choosing a username. Then you're good to go. This is what you will see when you sign into your new account. On your dashboard, you'll see information about your earnings, such as how many visitors, sales, gross income, and your earnings. Now, in order to browse different things to advertise as an affiliate and collect the links, click on Affiliate right here, and then on Find Products. This will take you straight to this page, where you will see the thousands upon thousands of different offers that you can promote as an affiliate. One thing I really like about JVZoo is that it provides a lot of useful information so that you can figure out which product is best for you to promote as an affiliate so that you can get paid. You can see when the items were released and how many were sold. CONV stands for conversion rate. For those of you unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, a conversion rate is the percentage of people that bought the product after visiting the sales page. A conversion rate of 5%, for example, means that 5 customers out of 100 bought the product. The second item you'll notice is EPC, which stands for earning per clicks and refers to the average amount of money made each time someone clicks on one of the affiliate links related to the project. The average price is important to know because you don't want to promote a product that's too cheap and won't make you a lot of money. And one of the most important things on this list is the refund rate, which should be less than 10% because obviously, promoting a product that people aren't happy with isn't good for you and won't make you a lot of money. The number of products sold, the conversion rate, the refund rate, and the average price are the things you should pay attention to. The number of products sold is important because you can tell if it's good product without looking at the other stats. And more importantly, People will be more willing to buy a product that has sold a lot of copies. You also want the conversion rate to be above 10% the majority of the time, the return rate to be less than 5%, and the average pricing to be about $40 to $50. Another factor to consider is the product's launch date. Don't advertise things that are too old. Instead, look for newer ones. Anyway, by clicking on category here, you'll be able to see all of the different categories of products JVZoo offers. And as I mentioned before, there are many more than on other similar sites, which I really like about it. There are literally too many to list here. And all you have to do is pick one you're most passionate about. For the purpose of this video, I'll select the category of business and finance. After you've chosen your category, you'll want to choose one product to promote. And as I previously stated, you'll want to make sure it has strong stats before pursuing it and grabbing that affiliate link. Here's one product that I found that completely meets my criteria. When you find a product you like, open it up on that page. You'll be able to see the commission, which in this case is 50%, which is fantastic. You can also check the pricing. You can also go straight to the product sales page by clicking right here. In any case, once you've chosen your product, you'll need to request approval in order to receive the affiliate link, and you may tell them things like, "I'm an experienced affiliate marketer who knows how to promote products in this area, and I'll be able to generate sales to your page," and so on. After you've typed everything in, click "I'm not a robot" right here. Check this box and then click request approval. You may now utilize a variety of techniques to promote your goods, including one of the most powerful and widely used tools nowadays is social media. For example, you can go to various Facebook groups, and since my niche is making money online, I specifically search for make money online groups. And as far as social media is concerned, guys, Facebook groups are generally not a bad way to go because they have thousands of members at the very least and hundreds of thousands at the most. So you will almost certainly get some clicks to your link that way. Instagram and Twitter are your next two options. You may build an Instagram page related to your topic and include your affiliate link in your bio. Or you can use Twitter to find others who want to make money online. Now keep in mind that these approaches work, but they aren't the best. In my opinion, by far the best method to do this is to use the tool I mentioned at the start of this post, and I'll provide a link to it in the description box below. Now, without requiring any effort on your part, this software will drive visitors to any affiliate link in seconds. You simply insert keywords from your niche into the software, and it will instantly build a viral video for you. You then add the affiliate link to which you want all the traffics go, and then you simply sit back and let the software do the rest. Simply enter keywords related to your niche into the software, and it will create a viral video for you instantaneously. You then specify the affiliate link to which all of the traffic should be directed, and then sit back and let the software handle the rest. If you're interested in using this tool, go ahead and click on my affiliate link in the description below, since I got you a wonderful offer that will cost you less than $20. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.